Hi, Khoi.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Khoi, we're going to do reading and listening, okay? Let's go down to reading first, and then we'll do listening. I just want to see if I can get the test. Mm, Let me just turn it. Speaking. Okay, let's go to test 3. Here. This will be test 3. Okay, let's do the reading first. And make it smaller. Hi, sweetie, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Let's do here. Okay. Khoi, you can start with number 1.
This is, this is the name for a man who is married
Married.
to a woman. A husband.
A husband. Good. Just want to see if I can make it a little bit bigger so that we can. A husband. Okay. Number 2, Hong Tam.
You throw paper and other things in there when you doesn't want them. Is bins. Bins. It's bins.
Okay. You throw paper. Yes, good. Khoi, number 3.
This is often blue in the day, and at night you can see the moon and star here.
Okay,
Is
it's night. Listen to me. It's night, not night. Night. Night.
night.
Okay.
Is sky.
Yes. Next one, Hong Tam.
The sun walked outside in the field, and after had lots of animal is teacher, can you go down to the sleep answer?
Okay, wait a minute. Let me just find it. Okay, number 4. This person works outside in the fields and often has lots of animals.
It's a farm.
A farmer. Let me make it a little bit smaller. You see. If I make it smaller, then it's going to be very small. Okay. Next one, sweetie. Khoi, next one.
They are often made of wood, and you put book, photograph, and other things on them. Is
Okay, what is it? These are often made of wood and you put books, photographs, and other things in them. Where do you put your books? Where do you put your books?
is itself.
On a shelf. Yes, it's shelves. Good. Number 6, Hong Tam. Hong Tam, I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. This is the time of the year, and it comes between summer and winter. Is autumn. On autumn.
Okay, yes, good job. Let me type the answers for you also. A husband. You throw paper. Pens. It's often blue in the day, and at night you can see the moon and stars. The sky. The person who works outside in the fields. A farmer. Shelves. It comes between summer and winter. Summer and winter is autumn. Autumn. Okay, next one, Khoi.
You can see the bird, animal, and planet eat tulip, and we do too.
You can't
Yeah.
see this, but animals and plants need to live, and we do too. What do we need?
Yeah.
Air. Good. Long time, next one. Long time, we can't hear you.
Sorry, because these people work in a pizza and wear a uniform. Is a nurse.
Okay, this is air. Okay. This person works in a hospital and wears a uniform. Who works in a hospital? A nurse. Okay. Tronkoi, next one.
Coat and trouser often have this, and you can put things in them.
Coats and trousers often have
Yes,
these, and you can put
it's
things in
pocket.
them. Pockets, yes, pockets. Good. Last one, Hong Tam. You have to unmute.
Sorry. This time of the Israelis is usually come after you for going to bed. It's a midnight. Midnight.
Okay. And we'll do listening. This time of the day is really late. It usually comes after you've gone to bed, midnight. Good job. Let's see if my camera works. Okay, midnight. Good. Okay, this one we'll put together. Okay, number one, Tronkoi. The woman.
The woman who looking at the yellow camel is wearing a hat.
Okay, the
No.
woman who's looking at the yellow camel is wearing a hat. No, good. Hong Tam, number two.
Number two, there is a boy holding one of the dinosaurs. Yes.
Okay. There is a baby holding one of the dinosaur's legs. A baby. Oh, it is a boy. Okay, yes, good. A boy. Khoi number 3.
The baby who's sleeping has dropped some sweets. Yes.
Has dropped some sweets. Dropped. Yes. Okay, number 4, Hong Tam.
Number four is one of the woman wolf is lying on the floor behind her. Yes.
Okay. One of the woman's gloves is lying on the floor behind her. Good. Okay, Khoi number 5.
There is an umbrella under the chair, which is on the right of the picture. No.
Okay. There's an umbrella under the chair, which is on the right of the picture. No. Okay, Hong Tam, next one.
A boy is sitting next to the snakehead and he is sandwich. Yes. Yes.
Okay, a boy is sitting next to the snake's head.
There are some butterflies above the girl with the camera, and they have got spots on them. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, let's save this one. Okay. Okay, now here we're going to have the conversation. Okay, we have to choose the best answer of the conversation. Why is it doing that? Go down. Okay. I'm going on a holiday tomorrow. You must be excited. Where are you going? Richard, I'm going skiing in the mountains. Hong Tam, what is Paul going to say now?
Yes. Mm, I'm going I'm going to I'm going on holiday tomorrow.
No, number 1. What is Paul going to say now? I'm going skiing in the mountains. Now, to find the answer, you need to look what he's saying next, okay? I'm going skiing in the mountains. Now we don't know what he needs to say, but look here. My best friend and his family.
That's so fun for a week.
Yes, good job. G. That sounds fun. Who with? Okay. From Khoi, my best friend and his family. Now you have to look at the next one. Once, but that was years ago. What would this one be? If I say once, but that was years ago.
D. I think I did Liza.
Trong, you need to look at what he's saying next. He's saying once, but that was years ago. So you have to ask or say something.
Let's You must be excited. Where are you going?
The answer is once. Once. Hong Tam, can you help him?
This. mm,
Once. But that was years ago.
Yes, sir. Hello. Do you think you are remember how to do it? No, no, no.
Mm-mm. Great. And have you ever been before? Great. And have you ever been before? Once. I've been once. You must look at the next, what we're saying next, okay? Once. Okay. Troy, okay. Khoi, try number 3. Once, but that was years ago. Now, what is Paul going to say? Look at what is Richard saying. I'm not sure, but I'll soon find out. That is his answer. What is Paul saying? I'm not sure, but I'll soon find out. What is Paul saying now?
I just staying at home.
I'm not sure is his answer. I'm not sure, but I'll soon find out. Hong
Do
Tam? Yes, Khoi, do you?
do you think you remember how to do it?
I'm not sure, but I'll soon find out. Hong Tam? Thanks. Are you doing anything nice?
Do you think you are remember how to do it?
That's number 3, Hong Tam. Look.
Is do you know? I'm not sure. I want to say. Well, I hope you have a great time.
Well, I hope you have a great time. Thanks. Are you doing anything nice, Khoi? Are you doing anything nice?
Được chưa? Chuyện rơi mới xong. Hoặc là bạn
You must be excited.
Look what we have used. We have used that, we have used that, we have used that, we have used that, and that. Are you doing anything nice?
F. You must. I.
A, just staying home. A, I'm just staying home. Okay, we need to practice this again because you can't do this one, okay? Khoi, especially you. Part 3, you need to practice lots more. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Okay, Hong Tam, you can start first.
Yes. Today was a terrible day. It is our sad this morning. His work called by his English homework. We looked for it, then I found it on the sofa. And then Mom said she haven't got her cat. We look for them, but we can't find them anywhere. We have to be at school at 9 o'clock, and I will arrive half past 8. The school is near our house, but we decide to work there.
Okay, stop there. We decided to walk there. Okay, Khoi, next one. At lunchtime,
At lunchtime, all my friends went outside to play game, but I had
games.
to
You need to read properly. To play games, not game. Games.
games, but I had to I had to learn languages.
In class and do my maths.
I had to time
In class, not time in class. I had to in class. Tam, can you help him?
Yes. At lunchtime, all my friends went outside to play game, but I had to stay in class.
Yes, okay, stop there. Khoi, stay. I had to stay in class. Stay in class. Okay, carry on, Khoi.
in class and do my math. Is what hard and I was horrible. And again, when we got home, we were very tired.
Okay, number 4, Khoi. When we got home, we were very
tired.
Good. Then
Suddenly, Sam said, "Look," and pointed to the car. There in the car door where the
keys. The keys.
keys
We all
we all
laughed, not logged, laughed.
laughed
Laughed, good. Okay.
until Mom said
Said, not say.
says quietly, "I can't find the key to
No,
the
not the
house."
key.
No.
Not the key.
Keys.
What is it? Yes.
Keys
To
to
the?
the house now.
Good. Tam, what is the best name for the story? Tam?
Yes, is I think is Mom lost key.
Mom's lost keys. Okay. Okay, now we're going to read the story. Okay, Hong Tam, you can read first.
Yes. My name is Nick. Last summer, I went on holiday with my sister Kim and my present. I got up early in the morning because we were going by plane. We picked our suitcase the night before. When Dad woke me up, I was very tired and I didn't eat any breakfast because I wasn't hungry. Then we all got in the car and Dad started driving in the airport. It was very foggy and we couldn't see the road at all. Suddenly there was a loud noise as that hit the car in front of us. We weren't going fast, so it was a bad condition. But the man in the other car is very angry and shouted at that. I was scared and my sister started crying. The mom asked for our address and the dad wrote in the down for him and on some paper. Then the dad drove around again. Very
Hong Tam, why do you want to read so quickly? When you're going so fast, you're reading wrong, okay? Rather read slowly and read correctly. Then Dad started driving again, very slowly this time. Just read normal voice, okay? You don't have to run away. Just read slowly, okay? Try again. Then Dad.
start driving again.
No, not start. Not start.
Started driving again. Very slowly this time. When
Okay,
we
stop there. Khoi, when we got to the airport. Khoi, when we got to the airport.
When we get to the airport, we were late, as Mom said. We forgot we
No,
were-
we've missed.
we
We've
missed the place now. She was very angry too, told us, but when we got inside the airport, Mom found that our place was still there. She was hap- she was happy then, so we went to the airport coffee and went to go on our holiday. And it was the best holiday ever.
Okay, let's do the answers. Okay, number 1. Hong Tam, that morning Nick had no breakfast because he.
this morning is had not breakfast because because he wasn't hungry.
Yes, because he wasn't hungry. Number 2, Khoi. In the car, it was very difficult to see the road because it was.
It was very foggy.
It was very foggy. Very foggy. Good. Hong Tam, Nick heard A when his dad had the accident.
Nick had a Nick had a loud, a lot, a lot noisy.
A loud noise. A loud noise. A loud noise. Number 4, Nick felt when the man shouted at his dad. Khoi, Nick felt.
Nick felt Nick felt and Nick felt angry.
Nick was angry.
Uh,
Tam, can you help him?
Yes.
Nick felt.
So Nick felt square.
Scared. Scared. Nick felt scared. Okay. Tam, number 5. Nick's dad, his address and gave it to the man.
Nick that grow it down his address
Nick's dad wrote his address and gave it to the man. Point number 6. After the accident,
Nick's dad decided that he saw the right to the iPod's list.
late?
Yes.
No. Try again.
Mm. iPod arriving again.
Can you help him, Tam?
Yes. After I Nick that
Slowly this time.
Slowly. Yes, slowly. Good. Slowly. Okay.
Nick mom was happy when she heard that the plain cafe.
Cafe. Next one was happy when she heard that the plane What's your answer, sweetie? What's the answer here, Hong Tam?
Yeah. It's coffee.
No, it's not cafe. Nick's mom was happy when she heard that the plane
No.
was still there. The plane was still there. Okay, let's go to the next one. Why isn't it going up and down? Okay, here. Okay, Hong Tam, you can start.
Yes. Generally, too many different things are working. Here is an idea of some of the things journalists do each day before they paint.
Okay. Journalists do many different things at work. There is an idea of some of the things journalists do each day before they can write anything. Before they can write anything. Journalists must leave the office and ask people lots of questions. From Khoi.
But they need to
No,
fly
because, read the sentence.
because they need to find how important for their story first.
Hong Tam, next question, Hong Tam.
They often take a top resonant with it, so they don't forget the important they saw.
Okay. They often take a tape recorder with them, so they don't forget the information they've heard. For the next one. Then they go back.
Then they go back to their office and write their story very quick on the computer.
No, very quickly on the computer. Okay, Hong Tam. News stories are often can't hear you. Hong Tam, we can't hear you.
Is bad. News stories are all sound and give the best important.
And give the most important